So what does an online physiotherapy consult look like? How do we get our clients to achieve their goals so well? First thing that will happen is after you book your appointment, you'll be sent an automatic email. And on this will be a link for two things. One will be to fill in a form, like a questionnaire, which will help to give us some information about the condition you're suffering and any injury you may have had previously or medical history. And this allows us to plan in detail and understand what we're going to do in our session. We're planning before we even see you. There will also be a link to our software that we're going to use for the consultation. All it takes is one click and you can check if the software is compatible and you are able to use the software. Most mobile phones and laptops or iPads, it's very simple. It's one click and it will bring you to a consultation similar to this, or a FaceTime or Zoom. You'll be in a virtual treatment room, transported to a virtual treatment room from your home. All very, very convenient. During the assessment, we will take a detailed history, what we call a subjective, to help us to delve into what's going on and what the underlying driver might be. Then we move on to our objective, and this is where it's a little bit different. We look at your movements, and we look at you maybe in sitting and standing, so we need a bit of space behind you where you can actually do some movements. And we'll tweak those based on what you're presenting with and what we feel is appropriate. We are experts in analysing movement, looking for compensatory things, whether it be stiffness or tightness. We'll then sit down and plan together based on what we find. We'll give you an overview of what we feel the problem is. We'll identify the main goal of what you want to get back to up here, and we'll plot out a process, a timeline of what it's going to take, and we'll set in some markers along that way of what you need to achieve to get you back to your goal. Often what we find is after maybe 2-3 sessions, people are out of pain, but they haven't achieved that bigger goal, and that's what we're renowned and known for, is getting people back to their goal and keeping them nice and strong. The treatment sessions, well, they are slightly different. We don't obviously have access to the hands-on manual therapy, and the evidence now shows that after 12 weeks the outcomes are the same. The thing that really makes a difference and the real benefit to our online physiotherapy sessions are the guidance, the analysis of the movement, the understanding of what the real problem is, the detailed exercise program, the structure that we give you, the accountability, the online app, the follow-up phone calls, the weekly reviews. These are the things that are going to help you achieve your goal and get you back to your target, be that walking around the block, running 5k, or bending over to pick up the grandkids. We are confident in our online physiotherapy services. We've been offering these for quite a while now, and we feel they really will benefit you. Hopefully that's given you a bit more reassurance of what we can offer and what the service entails. If there's anything further you wish to know, please do reach out to us.